Welcome to the first practice test for the general principles of veterinary medicine. This practice test will serve as an assessment and a review for Chapter 1 of the course about the introduction to the principles of veterinary medicine and to prepare students for the summative test. The students are instructed to answer the following questions. Justify or explain your answers briefly, and the first student who will have the most appropriate answer will earn bonus points for the lecture. For question number 1, how can we achieve efficiency in livestock production? Explain your answers briefly. For question number 2, cite the major difference between the objectives of the companion animal practice from that of the food-producing animal practice. For question number 3, to be able to make informed decisions of animal production, what do veterinarians require? For question number 4, what is or are the most important roles of veterinarians in the field of food safety? For question number 5, why do veterinarians need to conduct continuous disease surveillance? For question number 6, how can veterinarians contribute to the national disease control and eradication schemes of the government? For question number 7, as a veterinarian working in food-producing animal practice, how can you improve the reproductive performance of the herd? Explain briefly.